So were you wondering what I was doing?
I was.
I'm repairing this dehumidifier for somebody. And I bought this little module that will turn on the compressor, but it only switches to 120 volts. And the fan is 12 volts. I didn't want to order a 120 volts to 12 volt adapter. And I realized this motherboard, it went the other way. It had the 12 volt on it. Like it makes its own 12 volts. And it's the digital side that got all corroded. And I realized all it does is it just turns on that relay and bridges that gap to turn on the 12 volts to the fan. So I just bridged the gap and then cut the smart dehumidifying side off. And now we just have an overcomplicated 12 volt power supply that can run the fan. Which I was kind of surprised why it took so long to turn on, but I guess the capacitors have to fill up or something. Or not? No, get shocked, okay. What is it waiting for? Because it was running. Oh, as soon as I pause the video, it turns on. That's weird. So I'm not really sure what it waits for. Unless the fan waits for a PWM signal and then doesn't get it. That's annoying that as soon as I pause the recording, it turns on. This is such a tiny dehumidifier. So yeah, that's a funny bodge to do, but so many of these, they die from the boards getting wet. Need to make them more waterproof. I don't think I should have to take anything else off that, but isn't that was that's a weird bodge.